Here's how I transformed this dull room into this amazing guest room slash office in my home that I absolutely love. So first I took out this ugly gray flooring because I just did not like it, and I chose this awesome honey harmony color from Dura Decor. And then I created these MDF cabinets for the sides, and in the middle I made this DIY Murphy bed, painted it, and then I also made these bookcases to go on the sides and sit on top of those MDF cabinets. And then I created these box molding out of base cap molding from Home Depot. And then look at this beautiful color from Dunn Edwards Dura. It's Earhart Emerald, a beautiful green color. I really wanted a dark moody color. And then I found this light on Amazon and these ceiling tiles from Decorative Ceiling Tiles, and it literally just transformed the whole space. I love it.